Follow along to make this easy Indian corn craft. You will need green cardstock, yellow, orange, brown, and red paint, a sponge brush, glue stick, and scissors. Start by painting your child's hand yellow and have them make a handprint with the fingers together in the center of the paper. Make sure to allow it to dry completely. Using a variety of browns and oranges, have your kids put fingerprints all over the handprint. Trace your child's footprint on green cardstock and cut it out. Glue the footprints in place to make it look like a corn husk. Allow everything to dry and your craft is complete. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.